Hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH Daily Hacking News Series. So we have called it as Breaking Cyber News, where we are coming up with a lot of hacking news, which will give you a lot of interest into how the cyber world is going around. So let's get with the news part. So what are the things that we are going to cover today? So first thing is coming from India, which is called Bharat. So it says that India proposed digital data rules actually. So let me summarize this article, which is going to give you a lot of things about what's in India going around. So first of all, India is taking a very bold step towards new digital era. So the government has proposed a very fresh digital data rules which is aimed to enhance the user privacy and transparency. These rules are a part of Digital India Act, which can call it as VIA, so which will going to regulate how the company is going to collect, store and manage the data in the country, which are going to be collected from the user side, right? If you're going to visit any website, then how the company is going to collect your data, okay, in whatever form you're providing them. Okay, so this is what they are talking about. So there are a couple of key points that we need to notice, which is from this specific act, Digital India Act. So this is what they are going to talk about is mandatory data localization for sensitive data. Okay, strict penalties for the database. If there will be any data breaches over any company, then government is going to give a very strict penalty. New requirement the company to disclose data sharing practices. So there will be norms which the company need to be followed, and this is something which is very good plus very bad news for the security agencies. Cybersecurity is going to be on very boom because every company is going to have a security analyst, okay, which is going to mandate, okay, because like data sharing or data breaches will be a very big concern, like they have to pay the penalties right now. This is why the things is going to have very boom in cybersecurity world. So let's start focusing in cybersecurity. Anyways, now the next news is again for the cyber world, which is about a plugin. Okay, so there is a plugin which is called FishWP. So FishWP plugin hijack WordPress checkout. Checkout means where we are going to pay in the e-commerce website. So right now in the e-commerce world, WordPress users, you need to be very aware, because a new malicious plugin which is called FishWP, they have faced the targeting online stores. So this plugin is going to exploit vulnerability to hijack payment checkouts and steal sensitive customer information. So how basically this tool works, or this FishWP plugin is working. So this is going to distinguish as a legitimate plugin, redirect customer to the malicious checkout page, harvest credit card details and personal data. So this is what they are going to collect and how they are working actually. So right now security experts are urging the WordPress site admins to audit their plugins and ensure they are downloading only from the trusted source. If you are running a WordPress store, now it's time to double check your security measures actually. Whatever e-commerce e-learning platform you're running where the payment gateway is integrated, so you need to be worried if you're using a WordPress, whatever things you're using, but this is for the WordPress. So be aware, okay, how your plugins collecting data and all those things. So always contact a security expert who might help. We are here to help you. If you have any query, please drop in the comment box. We can help you out as well. Now next news is very big. Actually, let me give you a very small scenario. So there was a person who is running the entire Telegram company, who was a person from actually Russia. So he was arrested couple of months before. Okay, so the story was government was requesting for some sort of document, some sort of information, but he was not willing to provide because he was very much focused on user privacy and all those things. So what happens, government said provide us, he said no. Okay. So government somehow caught this. We might cover this entire story some another day, and how the OSINT stories is behind it actually. So government arrested that person, and after that uh, law enforcement is getting a lot of news. Before that, the scenario was if there is any let's say terrorism activity which is going around on Telegram. Okay, so if you are a law enforcement agency person, you can mail Telegram, they will provide you the information if something is related to terrorism. Apart from this, nothing will be provided to you. But right now the platform reported a very spike of data sharing actually. Okay, so if the law enforcement agency is going to request the IP address of a person who is using Telegram as well, who is running any group, okay, so then the Telegram need to provide, if you want IP address, if you want uh, the mail ID as well, the mobile number which was used to register that account will be provided to the person who requested law enforcement agency. So this is something which is worthy for the user, those who are using Telegram. So right now the thing is, Telegram has a very long market itself as a secure and privacy communication app. But this recent relevant second the user confidence actually. Many are now posting that the platform transparency and the commitment to the privacy is broken actually. and some are even switching to the alternative encryption app. There might be something Signal, or there is one more app which is trending right now, which is 3 months. So if you are a Telegram user, does this news change how you feel about the app right now? Just comment in the comment box. Now next news is related to Pentagon, US again. So Pentagon versus US is something what this news means. So federal agencies just ban on Chinese gaming giant. You know what I'm talking about, Tencent. Okay. So and finally, the Pentagon has taken the aim to the Tencent, which is a Chinese tech and gaming giant, with a federal ban. The follows ongoing concern about the company's ties to the Chinese government and the potential of data misuse. So this was a company which was formed somewhere else, but they had done a very good tie with the Chinese government. So that's why PUBG was banned in India. Actually, this was also one of the reasons. But again, they moved to somewhere else. So PUBG BGMI was started in India. But again, right now the US is something a sense in the Chinese company now. You can go through with these articles. So I summarize the thing. So right now there are a couple of very famous games which was provided, famous game and services we usually used, which was of Tencent was League of Legends, PUBG Mobile, and WeChat. So this ban could have a major implications on the gamers and developer community alike, particularly giving to the Tencent deep investment in Western game studios. It's another chapter in the growing tech cold war between US and China. So I guess that's a wrap for today's cyber news. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel so that you'll be getting some daily hacking news updates, and click the notification bell so that you'll never miss an update. And also you can drop a thought in the comment below what story shocked you the most. And until next time, stay informed and stay secured. Think secure, think VIEH.